Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the amazing benefits of moringa, often called the miracle tree. Even though it is small, it is packed with the nutrients that can really boost your health. Moringa is full of the vitamins and the minerals. It has a vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium and iron. These are essentials for keeping your body strong and healthy. Feeling tired or low on energy, moringa can help. It naturally boosts your energy and stamina, so you can stay active and focused all day. It is also great for your heart. Moringa helps reduce bad cholesterol and supports healthy blood pressure. Taking it regularly can improve your heart health over time. If you want healthy skin and hair, moringa is rich in antioxidants which fight free radicals. This helps your skin look fresh and your hair strong. Moringa is also good for reducing stress. Its nutrients support your brain and help you stay calm and focused. The best thing is it is easy to use. You can add moringa powder to smoothies, soups, teas, or even sprinkle it on food. A little goes a long way. So if you want a natural, easy and powerful way to improve your health, moringa is perfect. Start including moringa in your daily routine and feel the difference. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Ifra Health for the more quick and healthy tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy. Goodbye.